Alright, Kris, we're going to go ahead and do a box break of Star Wars Jedi Legacy for you. As you can see, there are two other people who have participated in this break. You have J.R. James and Travis Sprague, but their boxes we'll do later on. So let's get into this. I'm going to open up the box, but you were the first one to pay. Let's go ahead and break into this. Okay, this box doesn't want to open, it seems like. And this is why they invented the X-Acto knife. There we go. That's the one side. This is the other. Okay. This is a piece of paper. There's a stupid styrofoam stuff in here, so... Okay. So, as you can see, there are the hobby boxes right there. Okay, there's box 1. Box 2. And box 3. Let me go ahead and check to see if there's anything else in here, and there's not. There's just a bunch of super folded pellets. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay, Kris. So, as I was saying, I was going to get the boxes out off camera. So this is your box. These boxes are a lot easier to open than I thought they would. And they're a lot easier to open in general because the Force Awakens boxes are super, super hard to get off. The sealant is super, super hard to get off. But this seems like it's going rather good. And sealant is off. As you can see, this is your box. Kris Hill. I'm going to throw this away real quick. And let's go ahead, let me put the opening knife over there, and let's go ahead and get into this box. Let me go ahead and take the packs out. Okay, and your box is now empty. So I'm going to go ahead and put the box in there. Okay, so on the packs, because I like to do who's on the packs. On the packs in this product, you have Anakin Skywalker on one pack, and you have Luke Skywalker on the other. Those are the only two characters who are on each and every pack. So what I like to do is I like to divide up the characters. Or in each pack group, and then I open the packs up of all the characters at one time. So for an example, since there's Anakin and Luke Skywalker, I will open all of the Luke Skywalker packs second and all of the Anakin Skywalker packs first. Just because to me that is an easier way, and I like doing it that way of opening the packs. So this is all of your Luke Skywalker packs, and this is all of your Anakin Skywalker packs. So again, there are 24 packs per box, and I believe you are guaranteed at least one Film Cel Relic per box. So hopefully we can go ahead and pull something nice out of here for you. I just placed the Anakin Skywalker packs over there, and your Luke Skywalker packs are over there. Let me go ahead and refocus this camera. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get into this for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this. Let me go ahead and focus the camera. There we go. Okay, so your first card is Proposition of Palpatine. These cards are kind of hard to read. The next one is, well, I really need to zoom. The next one is Together We Conquer. Together We Conquer. Trying to focus the camera. There we go. Right there is good. A Novel Rescue. I'm sorry, a Royal Rescue. Gosh, I can't even pronounce the stuff that's in the cards. Tatooine Connections. Fatherless as a Child. Clever Thinking in the Heart of a Battle. Clever Thinking in the Heart of Battle again. And Dismemberment. That's a cool action shot of Vader when he cuts off Luke Skywalker's hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a quick glance at that card. Okay. So I thought that Fatherless as a Child card was numbered, but it is not. The only thing that is different about it is that it is a blue parallel card. So that's nice. I wasn't expecting to have blue parallel cards in the packs, so that is awesome for you. Okay, and our next pack we're going to open. Okay. A life-changing... Okay. A life-changing disregard of advisement. Death of a Mentor. Mentor, actually, I'm sorry. Oh, this is your hit. I'm going to go ahead and slide that to the back. That didn't even feel like a hit. Okay. Death of a Guardian. Blue parallel card. Death of a Guardian again. Death of a Great Beast. Too Old to Train. And then I'm going to go ahead and slow roll your hit. I was not expecting to get your hit right now, but that is perfectly okay. And your hit is, it is a Film Cel Relic of Anakin Skywalker and Luke Skywalker. Wow. It says, congratulations, you have just received a unique Film Cel Relic from the original Star Wars trilogy, showcasing the journeys of Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader here. Darth Vader greets his master, Emperor Palpatine, aboard the second Death Star. So that's really cool. That's a really cool hit. So congratulations, Kris, on that hit. Again, there's the back, Luke Skywalker and Anakin Skywalker. Great, great hit. So this is a product that hits are hard to get. Not to get, to see, I mean. So that is a nice, nice hit, Kris. Okay. Just focus the camera. Okay. Balance is achieved. Death of a Mentor. What is this? You got an insert card of Darth Vader Battle of Yavin. That's cool and unique. Oh, it seems to be a game because that is the code. So I will go ahead and put that to the side. Padme Amidala Connections card. The Jabba Factor Blue Parallel. A Challenge of a Fallen Jedi. A Daring Rescue. And Fear for a Loved One. So not bad cards right there. Let me go ahead and put these cards off to the side for you. Okay. Fear of Potential. Mechanical Limb. Moment of Clarity. Blue parallel card of Boba Fett Connections. Or, I'm sorry, that's not a blue parallel card. This is a blue parallel card. Fatherless as a Child. Battle Through Blood. Introduction to Royalty, and Temptation of the Dark Side. So not another bad pack. That was a good pack there. Alright, your next pack. Some packs are easy to open and some packs can be difficult. Okay. Moment of Clarity. Death of a Guardian. Fatherless as a Child. Jabba the Hutt Connections. Let me go ahead and focus that for you. Death of a Mentor, Blue Parallel. Fear for a Loved One. A Difficult Truth. And a Friending a Droid. Or I'm sorry, Befriending a Droid. Okay. Celebration of Heroism. Had to go up close and read that for a second because that was actually hard to see. Loss to a powerful dark opponent. Dark urging of the Emperor. Princess Leia Connections. Blue Parallel card of a Royal Rescue. The Moment of Truth. Dismemberment. And Temptation of the Dark Side. I'm going to go ahead and try something. I'm going to go ahead and turn on this light over here. Maybe that will make it easier. We're going to go ahead and try. Okay. Go ahead and refocus that. A Civil Confrontation. A Dark Premonition. Pilot Squad Leader. Yoda Connections. Blue Parallel of Together We Conquer of Lord Vader. Isolation in Youth. Act of Extreme Bravery. And a life-changing disregard of advisement. Next pack. A Galaxy at War. the Jabba Factor, Springing the Trap, Connections of the Death Star, Blue Parallel of Trial by Fett, Technical Ability, Balance is Achieved, and a Daring Rescue. Next pack. Proposition of Palpatine, Together We Conquer, another one of those wheels of Luke Skywalker, Owen Lars, Connections, Blue Parallel of A Civil Confrontation, Loss to a Powerful Dark Opponent, A Galaxy at War, and a Royal Rescue. Next pack. A Life-Changing Disregard of Advisement, Death of a Mentor. You get another congratulations. Oh, you got an autograph. Cool. Autographs are 1 in 3 boxes. Wow, what a nice pull. This is Isolation in Youth, Blue Parallel. That's so weird that they put the hits in the middle of the pack. Challenge of a Fallen Jedi, A Dark Premonition, Act of Extreme Bravery. That's your autograph. We're going to go ahead and save that. And then the Force Connections. So let me go ahead and take this off camera. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, Kris, you are going to love this autograph. Holy moly. It is a nice autograph. Let me go ahead and put your card over to the side real quick. I am so jealous right now of the autograph you just pulled. I am very happy for you, but I am super jealous. And I can't believe that Autograph Central Collectibles and Supplies has officially pulled a main cast member autograph from Star Wars. So I'm going to go ahead and slow roll it. You're going to know who exactly it is when I'm like not even halfway off this card. So I'm going to go ahead and slow roll it. As you can see, it is gold. There are his eyes, so you probably know who it is right now. But I'm going to continue to slow roll it for the essence, and it is an authentic autograph of Anthony Daniels, none other than C-3PO himself. Great pull. I am so jealous right now. I'm going to go ahead and place it off to the side. Congratulations, Kris, on your autograph of Anthony Daniels. Again, that is a big pull. Not only do you have the autograph now, but you have the authentic Film Cel Relic. That's 2 really big hits in this box so far, and you can still pull more. I am absolutely flustered with excitement right now. I may not be sounding like it, but I am absolutely ecstatic. Okay, let's go ahead and refocus this. Wrath of a Great Beast. Balance is achieved. Death of a Mentor. Obi-Wan Kenobi connections. Death of a Mentor Blue Parallel. Late Jedi training. Befriending a Droid. And Celebration of Heroism. So really, I am still not getting over the fact that you pulled an Anthony Daniels autograph. That is absolutely stupendous. And I am so happy that I actually pulled that too for you. But again, remember, you can still get some more hits, and this feels like there's something in here. I could be wrong. It felt a little like there's something in here. Daredevil abilities. No, there is nothing in here. I thought there was something in here. Celebration of Heroism. A loss to a powerful dark opponent. This is Anakin's lightsaber connections card. Blue parallel card of Wrath of a Great Beast. Mechanical limb. Dark urging of the Emperor. And fear of potential. I am still super excited I pulled that Anthony Daniels autograph for you. Wow, what a big hit. And all the autographs, there's only, I believe, 10 cast members who signed autographs. And all of the 10 autographs, well, I mean, they have more than 10, but out of all the 10 people, that's awesome that they only had main characters signed. And remember, you still got all of these packs of Mr. Luke Skywalker. So maybe you can pull another good hit out of here. But really, Kris, congratulations on that hit. That is absolutely stupendous and amazing that you pulled that. And that gives you supreme bragging rights as well. Okay. This needs to be focused. Trial by Fett. The Jabba Factor. Moment of Clarity. This is Grand Moff Tarkin Influences. This is a different kind of parallel. This is lost to a powerful dark opponent. Let me see if this is numbered. Nope, this isn't numbered. It's just a different color. It's like green. Fear for a loved one. A difficult truth. And befriending a droid. So that is awesome. I'm super stoked that you pulled an Anthony Daniels autograph. That is amazing. Fatherless as a child. This is what is this? Truncated Trial. Trial by Fett. Tosh Station Influences card. Wow, this is like pink. Clandestine Birth. Let's see if this one's numbered. This one is not numbered. So there are blue, green, and a pink parallels. Loss to a powerful dark opponent, a galaxy at war, and a royal rescue. Isolation in Youth, Clandestine Birth, a Civil Confrontation, Shmi Skywalker, Blue Parallel of Moment of Clarity, Challenge of a Fallen Jedi, a Dark Premonition, and Act of Extreme Bravery. Fantastic Adventure, Springing the Trap, Battle Through Blood, Mace Windu Influences, Truncated Trial, Blue Parallel, In the Lair of Scum and Villainy. I'm sorry. Preposition of Palpatine and Together We Conquer. A Difficult Truth, To the Distress of Dear Friends, Clandestine Birth, Biggs Darklighter Influences card, Death of a Mentor, Red Parallel, Truncated Trial, Pilot Squad Leader, and Technical Ability. A Royal Rescue, Trial by Fett, the Jabba Factor, Qui-Gon Jinn Influences card, Blue Parallel of a Life-Changing Disregard of Advisement, Clever Thinking in the Heart of Battle, Clever Thinking in the Heart of Battle, and Dismemberment. Late Jedi Training, To the Distress of Dear Friends, Wrath of a Great Beast, Wedge Antilles Influences, Blue Parallel of Trial by Fett, Late Jedi Training, Befriending a Droid, and Celebration of Heroism. Daredevil Abilities, The Moment of Terror, Daredevil Abilities, Chewbacca Influences, Pink Parallel of Isolation in Truth, Mechanical Limb, Dark Urging of the Empire, and Fear of Potential. Introduction to Royalty, Tatooine, Luke Skywalker Influences card, Blue Parallel of Preposition of Palpatine, In the Lair of Scum and Villainy, Too Old to Train, and Fantastic Adventure. Fatherless as a Child, Truncated Trial by Fett, Anakin Skywalker Influences, Clan Destined Birth, Death of a Guardian, Wrath of a Great Beast, and Too Old to Train. Alright, this is the second from the last. Okay, so it cut off in the video, so I'm going to redo it. You had 2 packs left, Kris. Temptation of the Dark Side, Dismemberment, The Moment of Truth, Blue Parallel of Balance is Achieved, Jar Jar Binks Influences card, To the Distress of Dear Friends, Late Jedi Training, and Dark Urging of the Emperor was the second to the last pack, and then your last pack was Fear for a Loved One, A Daring Rescue, Challenge of a Fallen Jedi, Han Solo Influences, A Civil Confrontation, Clandestine Birth, Isolation in Youth, and a red parallel of Balance is Achieved. So you had a amazing box of Star Wars Jedi Legacy cards. You pulled 2 hits out of it. You're guaranteed to at least get a Film Cel Relic, but you pulled an autograph, which are 1 in every 3 hobby boxes. So that is a big, big pull. And The only signers who sign cards for this product are main cast members, and you happen to pull a main cast member, and actually there was something stuck to the back of your Film Cel Relic, which is a R2-D2 Influences card. So the front of your Film Cel Relic looks like this. It is Darth Vader, and it is that Film Cel Relic. As you can see, when you hold it up to the light, it is Darth Vader strolling through his guards. And the best hit of all, you pulled C-3PO, Anthony Daniels' autograph. So you got 2 hits out of this product, and those are 2 great hits, especially this one. So congratulations, Kris, on your pulls. Thank you so much for doing this box break with Autograph Central Collectibles and Supplies. Here at Autograph Central Collectibles and Supplies, we do box breaks of blaster boxes, hobby boxes, cases, you name it, we do it. And we do strive for 100% customer satisfaction, and do hope that you will come back and be one of our another satisfied customers and do another box break with us. We hope you enjoyed this box break, Kris, and thanks again for participating in the Star Wars Jedi Legacy case break.